Ashutosh, we celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June, right?
Yes, sir.
Why? Are you aware of it? Why we celebrate World Environment Day on
Yes, sir.
5th?
I'm aware, but currently not coming to my mind.
So tell me, from forestry point of view, when you compare Eastern Ghat with Western Ghat, what is the difference?
Sir, geographically, Eastern Ghat is broken patch and Western Ghat is not. It is a continuous patch. And Western Ghat is having a endemism of specific animal like Nilgiri Thar. And also about snakes also. Western Ghat is known for snakes. And in
Reptiles mostly.
Yes, reptiles.
Okay.
Eastern Ghat specific animal that are flexible like Irrawaddy dolphin and olive ridley. These are, and in the Western Ghat also corals are also there. But in Eastern there is not much. But Tamil Nadu some part are there.
Okay. Achha, are you aware of pitcher plant? Carnivorous plant?
Yes.
Where do we find them?
Sir, in a tropical rainforest area.
Why is that?
Sir,
are you aware of why we find them? So in India, where do we find them?
Sir, may I take a guess?
Yes.
Sir, in Andaman area, Andaman Nicobar.
Yes, also in Meghalaya.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Tell me, in which kind of forest or vegetation do we find the lions and tigers? The tropical rainforest or the deciduous forest?
Deciduous forest.
Okay. Tell me, which is designated as India's first butterfly sanctuary?
Are you aware of it? Have you read about it?
I was in current affair it came, but name is not coming to my mind.
Okay. Any state? Can you remember the state name?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. That's okay.
Acha, tell me, what is the difference between community reserve and that of conservation reserve?
Yes, sir. In conservation reserve, when there is a segregated area of forest to maintain a continuous patch of forest, conservation forest is done. Whereas in community forest, it has a social angle to it, where there is people participation.
Okay.
That community along with government, they took over the conservation efforts.
Okay, tell me, who designates this community reserve?
Is it the community that self-declares it, or is it the state government, that declares that this is the community reserve?
It is state government that declares.
Okay.
So can you tell me what is the largest tiger reserve of India? Biggest tiger reserve?
I mean, in terms of tiger population or area?
Yes. No. Area and size.
Sir, I am confused between two Hemis or Kaji. Uttarakhand, Jim Corbett.
Okay. Srisailam, have you heard about it?
Yes, Nagarjuna Sagar, sir.
Which is designated as India's first white tiger breeding center?
Nandankanan.
Sure.
Nandankanan, sure. Okay, check it out.
In Nandankanan, there has been breeding of white tiger population.
Okay.
Yes.
But I am not sure whether it is fast.
That's right. So what is the state animal of Odisha?
Sambar deer.
Is it nocturnal? Does it roam in the nights?
I am not sure about that.
Okay. Tell me, who chairs the National Board for Wildlife?
National Board of Wildlife.
Who is the chairman? Let me give you two options. One is Prime Minister, one is Environment Minister. So out of these two, who is chairing NBWL?
I think it is Environment Minister.
It's the Prime Minister, okay. So India is undertaking the first river interlink project, right? Ken Betwa, right? Have you heard about it? Okay. So which tiger reserve is going to get submerged due to this project?
It is going through this Chambal area, and there is a hue and cry about that Gorial project. I think it is Panna and Pench.
Panna tiger reserve.
Okay. Good. So tell me, what is the species that is smuggled out of Odisha? Wildlife species that you are aware, is being smuggled out of Odisha.
May I use that Odia term for it?
Yes.
Vajrakapta species.
Vajrakapta, pangolin.
Yes,
pangolin.
So tell me, what is the international treaty to, that forbids wildlife, illegal wildlife trading?
In sites.
Yes. Okay. Are you aware of CAMPA, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me the full form?
Yes, sir. It stands for Compensatory Afforestation Management Planning Authority.
Very good. Very good. Are you aware of National Biodiversity Authority?
Yes, sir.
Headquarters? Okay, let me give you 4 options: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore.
Sir, I think it is Delhi.
Chennai.
Tell me, what is the difference between wildlife sanctuary and that of national parks?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, regarding the area, the wildlife sanctuary does not have a fixed boundary, whereas national park have a fixed boundary. And regarding the number also, national park is around 107 in our country, and it is 550 plus wildlife sanctuary. In national park there is more protection and prohibition against these human activities,
Okay.
whereas in wildlife sanctuary some extent of human intervention is allowed in wildlife sanctuary.
Can you define what is greenwashing?
Yes, ma'am. It is a like fugitive way of the companies or the establishment who show off that they are using green technologies, or but actually in real term they are not.
Not doing it. Okay.
Which is Odisha's first biodiversity heritage site?
I know the biodiversity heritage site, but the fast I am not sure.
Okay. Can you name some critically endangered species of Odisha?
Of Odisha?
Yes. Critically endangered.
Pangolin.
Pangolin, yes. And any others?
Tiger is endangered.
Okay.
And,
What is purple revolution?
sorry, sir.
Purple revolution, are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
So India is trying to reintroduce cheetahs, right?
Yes.
So which is the tiger reserve where they're trying to reintroduce it?
Ma'am, recently it has been extended to Gandhi Sagar Tiger Reserve, which is in Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
Okay.
Any other?
Kunno National Park.
So tell me, human-animal conflict, right? How we can reduce it?
Sir,
Suppose you are posted as ACF or Ranger. How, in Simlipal region, okay?
yes.
So how you can, reduce that human-animal conflict?
Sir, to be specific about Similifal in Odisha, the human-animal conflict mostly is from elephant.
Okay.
And to reduce government as well as public participation is also there needed.
Mhm.
In elephant, as we know, is a highly locomotive animal. It needs to travel around 60-80 kilometer a day.
60-80 kilometers per day. Okay.
And that forest area, it is not a continuous patch of forest. So while traveling, it may intrude into human habitation. And also the fruit bearing species or the species of trees that elephant feeds upon are also not they are insufficient. So it
For food
feeds
also
on
it has
paddy of the local villages. To stop this, we are having developing various conservation reserve and elephant corridor. And to our the peoples, they have been told that the food attractant that they keep like mahula seeds, they should not keep there during that particular season when elephant tries to introduce. And to prevent also from getting into human habitation, solar fencing is done.
Solar fencing, what is it exactly?
Sir, earlier before introduction of solar fencing, electrode fencing was there. And
So they will get a
high-
shock.
Yes, sir. It
Okay,
is
electric
earlier
shock.
it was getting a high voltage. There was also human casualties reported.
Okay.
But solar fencing, it is a mild shock.
Okay. So tell me, have you heard something called pride? Within lions, we see a pride. Pack of lions will usually, they form a pride. They have their king, their queen, and all that. Are you aware of that?
Yes.
But in tigers, we don't see, that kind of thing. Why is that?
Sir, tiger generally don't hunt in gathering.
Okay. So they are solitary animals.
Yes,
you are
sir.
saying. Okay.
Okay, name 5 wildlife sanctuaries of Odisha.
Yes, ma'am. And Debrigad Wildlife Sanctuary, that is in Sambalpur, that area, and Baisipalli Wildlife Sanctuary, Nagad area, Nilgiri in Baleswar, Adagad Wildlife Sanctuary, Andhapur, Keonjhar, and Kollapat Wildlife Sanctuary, Kalahanti.
Okay. Have you been any of
Yes, sir.
all of them?
Except Baisipalli Wildlife Sanctuary.
Okay. Okay. Any questions?
No.
So we're done with the interview, Ashutosh. Okay.